Hey everyone, welcome to the PD Knob channel. Today, I'll show you 3 different ways to password protect your Excel files, whether you want to protect your file from being viewed or edited. Let's start with the strongest option. The first method is Encrypt with password, which provides the highest level of protection. Here, I have a sales spreadsheet containing some sensitive data. Let's encrypt it with a password. First, go to File and select Info. Under Protect Workbook, click Encrypt with password. Now, enter your password. Make sure you remember it, because you'll need this password every time you want to open the file. Click OK, then enter the password again to confirm it. And that's it. Now, let's test it. Close the Excel file and open it again. As you can see, Excel now asks for a password before anyone can access the file. So if your goal is to prevent unauthorized users from opening the file at all, this is the best option. Method 2. Protect editing with a save as password. If you don't want others to edit the file, you can use a password to modify. First, go to File, then select Save As. Choose where you want to save the file. In this window, click Tools, then select General Options. Here you'll see several options. If you want to require a password to open the file, enter one in password to open. But if your main goal is to prevent others from modifying the workbook, use password to modify. Enter a password here. This means people will need the password if they want to modify and save changes to it. You'll also see Read-Only Recommended. Keep in mind, this is only a recommendation. It does not actually prevent someone from editing the file, so if you want to require a password before someone can modify the workbook, use password to modify instead. Now, save the file and close it. When you open it again, you'll need the password to edit the file. Finally, what if you only want to protect one specific worksheet while leaving the other sheets editable? For example, maybe your workbook has several sheets, but only one contains important data. Open the worksheet you want to protect. Next, go to the Review tab. Then, click Protect Sheet to protect this worksheet. By default, the selected options allow users to view and interact with the sheet, but prevent them from modifying the protected content. You can also adjust these options based on what you want users to be allowed to do. Enter a password, then confirm it. Now, let's test it. Try editing a cell in this worksheet. As you can see, Excel asks for a password before the sheet can be modified. And the other worksheets in the same workbook are not affected. So this method is useful when you only need to protect specific sheets, rather than the entire workbook. If you want to remove the protection later, go back to Review. Click Unprotect Sheet, then enter the password. And the worksheet is editable again. So those are the 3 ways to password protect an Excel file. From protecting the entire file from being opened, to preventing modifications, or protecting just a specific worksheet. I hope this helps you keep your Excel files safe and protected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe!